Add the image of a building to area D3 to E3 by clicking Insert Illustrations, Pictures over Cells. Insert illustration, picture over cell. Now let's go through their stock images and just type in buildings, pick a building, click insert. Now it's going to be huge and obnoxious, so you just shrink it and move it to where you want. Shrink, 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 and then just kind of move it in the area. There you go. Now the other way to get better pictures actually is just to go to Google and just be like, okay, buildings. I just already did this a second ago, so buildings, and let's just say we want that one. Right click, copy image, come back over here and Control V, and then once again shrink it to where you want it and then just fit it in the area.